Good morning, everyone. It's a crazy swell today. Really low wind, but the swell is massive. If you've seen the video from yesterday, I would normally go there, spin for bodies. But when I arrived, the water came up like 20 meters from the ledge, from where I was standing. It was crazy. So I thought I'd come up here into a higher spot. At least I only get the splashes of the water, and that's the actual swell. But yeah, it's crazy conditions. I'm probably just gonna fish, see maybe an hour. If there's no fishing, I'm gonna go home. It's really quite difficult to fish at the moment. Anyways, hopefully we get lucky. Chances are slim, but we're still gonna give it a crack. Alright. Fish. Yeah, finally a fish. That's a bonito. Right. Could be a big one. Oh fuck! Leader! Man, that was shit. It is a bit sketchy over here. Oh my god. It is hard to land a fish over here. Alright, well, retail leader. There's heaps of people on the spot there where I was fishing, so I might just give it a crack. It's going low tide anyways. Oh, damn. second fish. Ooh. Thank you. Oh. Thanks, bro. Halfway. That fish wants to go back there. Fat bonito. Finally. Oh, yeah. On the Jigaro. Beautiful fish. We'll release it back. It ate a whole jig. Catch and release. Whew. Big. Oh. Yep. Come on. Jigaro slide on a 60 gram, pink color. Holy game. Yep. Another one. Alright, just catch and release all day today. So ooh. Huh? Nah, you want it? Yeah. Pinoy ako eh.
Ano ba ito mo?
Ha? Hindi, marami kasi ako nahuli kahapon. So, nandito lang ako, catch and release na ako. Hang on. Kung dito baka makawala. Okay, dito.
Ganda ng jigs mo yun.
Oh, ganun din kahapon. Marami ako nakuha nito pero black na color. Oh. Lapit na. Hang on. Susunod, ibibig. Oh. Yeah. Isa na lang. Baka ma-hook ka.
Ganda ng jigs mo ah.
Oh.
Ilang na yan? Grams?
60 grams.
Ilalim. Minsan
Okay.
pag may yellowtail, mas maraming kingfish.
Oo.
Yun nga lang, undersize.
Undersize, oo nga.
Oo.
Pag may nakuha ako, bigay ko agad sa iyo. Oh, baka makawala. Alright. One problema. Give it one to a mate. Alright, keep casting. We're gonna catch and give or catch and release. It depends. laki nun ah.
Good, good.
Grabe yun. May...
Yeah. Wala ko huli ko.
Ang laki nun.
Kaya nga tinatsat ko yung pa ako dito sa
Oh.
para may...
Fuck.
Yeah.
Masakit din dito pero okay lang.
Tinatsat ko doon,
Oh.
nakagano ako.
Grabe.
Nakapirang ako.
Unexpected.
Laki nun?
Oh.
Ano na wala?
Uli, sa kaplayer.
Wow. Crazy, eh? Yeah. It's crazy today. It smells crazy. Oh, another one. A big one. Oh, all right. Look at that wave. Woo! What a crazy session, guys. That was it. It's getting crazier and crazier. Like, the swell is just enormous and it's getting really dangerous. A lot of people just fell into the ground because of the waves, because of the swell. So I thought I'll just, yeah, I'm so wet as well, so I thought I'll get dried up and then, yeah, go home. I mean, we hooked 3 fish. One got away with my lure, one we let go, and one we gave to the other filo mate. So next time, yeah, I'll catch you next time. It's really getting dangerous as shit. I wouldn't be surprised if someone ends in the water. I hope not, but yeah, it's crazy bad shit. Alright, see you next time. I'm gonna get ready, but I thought I'd leave the video or the recording ongoing because, yeah, you can see the big, look at the swell, look at this swell. Yeah, see that? The other one that I hadn't recorded earlier, times 4 than that. I'm not even joking, it's not even funny. So, alright, keep watching. Definitely don't fish if the swell's like this. So wow, look at that. Crazy, man.